Are you curious about the differences between synthetic blend and full synthetic oils? Every car engine needs oil to run smoothly, stay cool, and prevent corrosion. But guess what? Not all oils are the same. Stay tuned as we dive into the real facts about synthetic blend versus full synthetic oil. Let's start with how these oils are made. Synthetic blend oil is a mix, combining traditional mineral oil with some synthetic motor oil, plus various additives. Think of it as a hybrid. In contrast, full synthetic oil is created from scratch in a lab. It starts with a base oil refined from crude oil, but then scientists get to work. They fine-tune the molecules, creating a much more uniform and superior base oil. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribing costs you nothing, but helps us keep bringing you content that oil companies and dealers do and want you to see. Now let's talk money, because price can be a huge factor. Synthetic blend oil is generally more budget-friendly. This makes it a great choice for regular maintenance if you're watching your wallet. On the other hand, full synthetic oil definitely comes at a premium. You'll notice the higher cost per quart, which means your oil changes will be more expensive. So how long do these oils last? This is where it gets interesting. With a synthetic blend, you're typically looking at an oil change every 6,000 miles or so. Some brands might even stretch that to 7,500 miles. But full synthetic oil is the long-distance runner. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, why don't you take a quick second to subscribe to our channel? It shows your support and really helps us out. Once you've done that, let's keep going. Let's break down the major differences side by side. Synthetic blend oil is cost-effective, and it's great for heavy-duty use, like towing or hauling. It provides excellent defense against sludge, friction, and engine wear, and it holds up well against high temperatures. Now for full synthetic. Its main advantages are those longer oil change intervals and superior fuel efficiency. Because it's so highly refined with advanced additives, it offers the best protection against engine sludge and moisture damage. This leads to improved engine efficiency and lower friction overall, so which one is actually the best? If you want the absolute best protection and performance for your engine, full synthetic oil is the clear winner. It really shines in extreme conditions, both hot and cold, offering exceptional durability and efficiency. In the end, the choice really comes down to your vehicle's specific needs. The best advice I can give you is to check your owner's manual. It will tell you the exact viscosity and oil type recommended by the people who built your car. That manual is your ultimate guide to keeping your engine running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, drive safely.